Welcome, my friends. Today I was very hungry for lunch, so I made this recipe. The fact, it is delicious, my friends. I would like to thank you for your interaction in the previous videos and the beautiful comments and sharing the video with your friends. Today, TMA's recipe is meat and vegetable bread. It is a meal rich in fiber and protein. In the beginning, we need 6 grams of yeast and 160 milliliters of warm milk. And we add 15 grams of sugar and 25 grams of yogurt. After mixing the ingredients together, we add 300 grams of flour and 2 grams of salt and begin kneading until the dough holds together. Then we add 25 grams of liquid butter and continue kneading for 10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth. We cover the dough for 55 minutes until it ferments and doubles in size, my friends. I will be happy if you write me comments from which country you are watching me. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video with friends, and write to me your opinions in the comments, whether positive or negative. This is something that concerns me. While waiting for the dough to ferment, we bring 300 grams of finely chopped meat and add a little chopped onion to them as well. And a little paprika and soft tomatoes. We need a teaspoon of tomato sauce, salt and black pepper as desired. We mix the meat and vegetables together. At this time, the dough will have fermented and is ready to work. We cut the dough, as you can see, into 9 pieces and begin shaping the dough into balls until the air comes out. You can use it, my friends, if you prefer a filling other than meat. You can use spinach, chicken breasts, or any type of cheese. After finishing forming the dough balls and placing them in the oven pan, we cover the dough and wait for 30 minutes until it ferments and doubles in size, as you saw at the time of filling. We need a cup. We put flour on it from the bottom, and we press on the dough until this gap that you saw is formed. Then we put the meat in the gap in this way, and we bring 1 egg yolk and a spoonful of milk and mix them together and grease the edges of the pies. In the baking stage, we need a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius for a period ranging from 22 to 25 minutes, my friends. After the pancakes were cooked, the color was golden and the smell was very delicious. The pancakes were soft and fragile. I ate them hot with yogurt. They were very delicious. I hope you make them in your homes and write to me in the comments what you think of them if they are delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Write to me in the comments if you like it, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and press the bell to receive all new updates. Thank you for following me. I hope you stay in good health, and I wish you a happy day. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.